Hi everybody, welcome to Kingston Library's Virtual Steampunk Club. My name is Leanne and today we're going to be making our own tornadoes. In order to do so, we have these kits available at the library, so please go to our website under Virtual Steampunk Club and register and we will post one out to you. When you get it, inside you'll find 2 plastic bottles, the connector or joiner, and the instructions on how to make your tornado. You also need water. So to make your tornado, take the water in your first bottle and pour about 2/3 full into your bottle, about so. Take your connector and attach it to the bottle with water. Then take your empty bottle and connect it to the connector. We have water in the bottom bottle, no water in the top bottle. Next, we're going to flip it upside down by holding it in the middle and moving our hands in a circular motion. Let's see what happens. And there's the tornado. That's really cool. So the tornado in the bottle is caused by centripetal force, an inward facing force that pulls an object or liquid, in this case liquid, which is the water, towards the center of its circular path. The tornado created in your bottle, there it goes, is caused by the water spinning in the bottles towards the center of the bottle, which is called a vortex. So you've probably seen a vortex when you unplug the bath and you watch as the water goes down the drain. A vortex is a type of motion that causes liquids or gases to travel in spirals around a center line. The vortex is created in this experiment when gravity pulls a liquid through an opening to form a rotating tornado. There you go. So you can try experimenting with more or less water in your bottle. Does the amount of water in your bottle have an effect on the size or the speed of your tornado? And there we go, can you see it? Nice. I hope you have fun with your tornado. Bye for now.